Okay, all right. So back on target here. We got that nasty yank. That happened. I think there was, and then see how the traders, the shorts are beginning to, they're aligning here, half and half. It's really good. Um, so that lower target, excuse me, that I have is now activated. I didn't do a video on target. I have a video. It's on a playlist of how to get these targets. Maybe what I could do is link it to this next one. Okay, this one's not activated. That's not activated. Yeah. So they're saying it's a 96% chance this should form. So I think this is going to form up and bounce down to here. Yep, that's what's going to happen. EURCHF, and then here's my target. I have my stop loss. Let me check my stop loss. Hold on. It's on a 4-hour chart. Oh, I usually don't do the 4-hour when I give out signals. I usually do the 1 hour. It's saying a buy, but that's just not always correct. So yeah. Oh, and it slipped off of this? Yeah. Yeah, all right, let's stick with that. And it's 3 hour. So I think this harmonic down here is gonna close and it's gonna hit that target. Because these have to close, and then this will be a target for later. That'll be a target for later. See how maybe I can just tell you here. I mean, okay, see how this formed up, right? It didn't close. It closed once it hit here. See, they all close. They all close, right? They all have to close. Look here, got closed over here. This big one closed. Actually, right here, turned around, right? This one closed. So they all have to eventually close, right? And this is how I have my target. So here, not quite, right? So this price got to come down, close it. So how this one did, eventually it closed. That's it. 100% chance. The trick is knowing when it's ready, right? That's where all of your learning and growth is gonna come from. So this is a quick short of 173 pips, Euro CHF. So I'm gonna post that signal up, and it's okay. You're welcome to find out. Yeah, they already did that. All right, so I'll see you on the next one. Peace.